y'all? It's your girl Deja Janae Exo, and I'm back with another video. Y'all comment down below some different intro sayings that I could say because I'm kind of getting tired of that, but I don't have nothing else to say. I want to say something like, what's up, get lit, it's your girl, and you know I'm the ooh. But yeah, for real, y'all comment down below some things that I could say because I'm getting tired of that. Or y'all let me know if I should just keep it. I don't know. Because, baby, you're doing too much. Okay, anyway. I'm going to take this off because, well, I had it on because it was cute for my outfit. But we're just going to go ahead and take this off and get right on to the video. But before the video even starts, y'all, your girl is already back. 1 earring Dage. Don't believe in 2 earrings. You know, one to suffice. You just turn to this side and say cheese. But no, I can't keep up with 2 earrings to save my life. I got the back. It fell off while I was asleep, but the earring did not appear. So we're just gonna have to find another one. Okay, anyway, let me go ahead and stop talking and just get the video done. Today I will be reviewing Allie Grace's hair once again from AliExpress. I think this is my 3rd hair review. I've done their loose wave, I've done their straight hair before, and this is another review on their straight hair. The last time I had a frontal. This time is a closure, so you know, we're just gonna leave that there. But let's just go ahead and get straight into the video. So you guys, I don't know what is going on. I don't know what is going on, but this hair this time was not it at all. I just don't get it. Like, number one, this hair tangles so bad. Like, I don't know what's going on. Okay, no. Let me backtrack. This is 3 bundles and a closure in my head. I made it into a wig, so this is a wig with 3 bundles and a closure, and it is the inches. I think the closure is 20, which stops right here. And then I have 20, 22, 24, 26, I want to say. If it changes, I'm just going to put it in the description box below. So just check that out if you want to know the details. And I actually did like cut the hair and everything into like layers or whatever. So it's like not supposed to be this short. Probably it's supposed to be a little longer, but I did layer it. So that's probably what you guys are seeing. But anyway, so yeah, this hair was just not it this time. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it was a bad bunch or what, because this hair tangles so freaking bad. And because it tangles so bad, it sheds so bad. Like, y'all, this brush is the brush that I've used to brush out my hair. Well, I use this brush, yeah, I brushed out my hair twice today. Once when I woke up, and then once right before this video, obviously. And I cleaned it out from earlier, so that hair is like in the trash can. But I just detangled my hair, y'all, and this is all of the hair that just came out of this brush. Let me ball it up a little bit better for y'all to see. This is all the hair that just came out of this brush. It might not look like a lot, but y'all, this is a lot to say that I've detangled my hair already today. And today it's only like 12 o'clock, and I woke up this morning at like 4. So it's only been a few hours, not a few hours, but it's been I haven't been doing that much, so I don't understand. But like, it's just tangling so bad. And it's not because the ends are split, because I cut the ends and they're like blunt at the ends. So it's not because the ends are bad. It's just, I don't understand. I don't know what's going on. And I didn't cut any of my wefts. I did not bleach my closure. I just put the hair in as it was, and it's just not giving me life like it usually does. Like, even after I straighten it, it'll still tangle right back up. And I'm not used to that with Allie Grace. Like, I don't know what's the problem. But maybe, I don't know. So, as for tangling and I cannot talk. As for tangling and shedding, yes, it does tangle. Yes, it has been shedding. I don't know why or how to stop it, but it has been. So as for shipping is always fast. Customer service is always good, so I have no complaints about that. My only complaint is that the tangling and shedding is like ridiculous, because the hair is really, really pretty. I get so many compliments on my hair all day long. People say where you get your hair from and things like that, but it's just like, I don't want to recommend it because I don't want people coming from my head because the hair is not what they expected, because baby, I would be mad too. But I don't know, y'all, like, Allie Grace need to step it up. But I'm about to stand up so y'all can see, like, how long it looks. Even though I cut it, like I said, so Just add on a few inches to your head if you want to. But see, I'm brushing it and more hair. And it's like I be trying to be gentle, but the hair comes out regardless. So it's like, why be gentle? Just go for it. You feel me? You feel me? But so don't mind what I have on, y'all. Like I said, I was planning on going to New York today, so I had to layer up. But this is where it stops, and I'm trying to show y'all my tailbone so y'all can see. So this is where it stops. And so I'm pretty sure this is the 26 because I'm pretty sure 24 would not stop this long on me. And like I said, I cut it, so it's probably shorter than what it really is. But yeah. So the hair is really cute. I really like it. It's nice and shiny. You know, it doesn't feel dry or anything like that. It's just the Tangling shading is ridiculous. As for curling, I did curl this hair, and I'll probably insert a clip like right here. I did curl it, and no, the curls do not hold with this hair. They'll probably hold for like an hour, if that, but afterwards they'll just fall and your hair will just kind of look wavy. I curled my hair twice. Yeah, I curled it twice and it fell both times. But you know, it serves its purpose. Like, it's straight hair, so you can't really expect straight hair to just stay straight. I mean, to stay curled, because that's not the purpose of the hair. You feel me? So, yeah. But, yeah, so holding the curl, nada. Tangling, horrible. Shedding, horrible. Customer service, great. Shipping, great. Length and hair quality, great. Yeah, I really don't have much to say. I don't want to make this long. I wanted to make it sweet, short, and simple. And by the time I edit this, it's going to be even shorter. So we're looking at like a 5-minute video, you know, give or take. But I mean, who likes to watch long hair reviews? Because I know I don't. And I don't feel like straightening it, so I'll just probably make another video if y'all want to see how it looks when it's straightened, like bone straight. But like I said, I'm lazy right now, and I'm trying to get these videos out the way. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and put this back on. Just look at all of this hair, like, and just imagine how much I got this morning. So add that with this. This is just in one day worth. This is a lot, y'all. I'm not used to this at all. Like with any of the hair any of my hair, I'm not used to all of this shedding. Especially with straight hair. Like, you wouldn't expect that from straight hair at all. Especially if I didn't cut or dye my bundles or anything. So I don't know what's going on. But yeah. So you guys, that about wraps up this video. And I just, you know, slayed my baby hairs. And this time, you guys, I did the balding cap method, and I think I actually like it. I mean, even though you could still see my closure a little bit, that might be a me per se, because I didn't put my foundation on it. I just bought a dark brown cap and put it on, but that might be me, like I said. Or maybe I just need some of my baby hairs. I don't know. Y'all comment down below what y'all think, or what I should do to avoid this nonsense going on or whatever. But y'all, that's it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and end it now. So Ellie Grace, I don't know what happened this time. I still love y'all, I still trust in y'all, but this makes me not want to order again. I don't understand, because I really do like you guys, but you know, once you have that one bad experience, you don't want to go back. Like, it's gonna take some strong convincing to go back. But I'm also, what the, y'all, it's a cat outside my window. What was I saying? Oh, I want to try new hair companies anyway. So y'all comment down below what hair companies y'all go to. Like, what's your go-to hair company? Because I do want to try other vendors and, you know, compare everything. I'm not looking to start no hair company, so I'm not comparing it for my hair company. But y'all just comment down below what y'all think. What y'all think I should try. Did Ali Grace, I did Nadula, I did Unice, however you want to say it. I've done like Amazon vendors. So yeah, I want to try Melissa. I want to say that's how it is. I really want to try Beauty Forever hair too, but I don't have Beauty Forever money, y'all. But see, I'm just talking. This video just getting longer. So y'all, that's it. Wrapping it up. I'm about to go ahead and record my next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that, because I'm going to tell y'all about my terrible trip today to New York. So stay tuned, and I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next one. So until then, Peace.
I don't really want no fun.
Hey yo, Draco got that kickback. When they kick back, you can't get your shit back. In fact, it's that bitch that I hate small talk. I don't fuck with chit chat. AC just stopped working, so they hit me, told me bring my